Hi, my name's Jeremy, and a few weeks ago I made a mask, a little bit like this one, but in black, a shape mask for my nephew Louis. And since then I've made a template of how to make it, cut out the materials and make it. And a template for 3 sizes, and I've made a few more, quite a few more, and they fitted people really well. It's 3 layers. It's got a bendy metal insert here in the nose, which is comfortable, but also means it fits really well over the bridge of your nose. And yeah, it's a nice design. I took some of the best designs that I could find and then tweaked them until I came up with something that was relatively easy to make and fitted most people. So this is a video of how I made that mask for Louis, speeded up, and I'll also put the link to the templates and all the materials and resources you'll need to be able to make masks like this yourself below. So if you like it, then please like the video and subscribe, and if there's demand, I'll make a more useful kind of instructional video. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. I really don't know how I do that, but it's very clever. Okay, we're going to set that aside. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to stitch this bridge. I've missed out stage. Fabric scissors. Being a bit ultra fussy here. That part is done. Put that to one side. Okay, so we have 4 layers that I'm going to stitch together here. So this is the tricky part now. Let's go. Now let's have a look at what we've got. So now we turn it inside out. I'm going to go away and I'm going to come back after I've ironed it. The last phase is just threading the elastic. And we are done. It is finished.